let's go in the basement.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pecatonica, or 13 miles east of Freeport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Winnebago around 6:35 p.m. Rockford around 6:45 p.m. This includes Winnebago County Fairgrounds. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
A severe
I didn't even
thunderstorm
get
warning is
scared.
in effect until 6:45.